Hi everyone, my name is Sunju from Fashion Wonder. In this sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Aria denim jeans. These jeans feature a high waist and wide leg openings to give you an elongated silhouette. In this sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make high waist wide leg jeans. For this sewing project, I used medium weight denim fabric that I pre-washed, air dried, and also ironed to prepare for cutting and sewing. Let's get started! For this Ari denim jeans tutorial, start by assembling the pattern pieces. To sew front pockets, place the pocket facing to the front leg piece with right sides together. Top stitch 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Trim the extra seam allowance into 1/8 of an inch around the curve. Open the seam towards the pocket facing and edge top stitch. Place pocket back and pocket facing right sides down and stitch the bottom with a 3/8 of an inch zigzag stitch. Top stitch 1/4 inch along the pocket bag and pocket facing to the pants to prevent from moving around. Zigzag stitch both front legs starting from the crotch to inner leg. To sew fly front, place 2 pieces of fly shield facing right sides together and stitch 3/8 of an inch along the curved side. Trim the seam allowance to 1/4 inch and turn the fly shield right side out and press. Pin the front legs right sides facing each other and stitch 1/2 inch seam allowance from the 2.5 inch mark. Place the zipper face down on the fly and align the edge of the zip tape with seam between the front leg and the fly. Stitch down the right side of the zip close to the zipper teeth and second row of stitching on the edge of the zipper tape. Turn the pants right side up, mark the curve with erasable pen, and top stitch with contrast thread. Open the zipper and fold the left side of the pants close to the zipper teeth and edge top stitch. Open the seam and place the fly piece to stitch from top to the notch with half an inch seam allowance. Trim the seam allowance on fly about 1/4 inch and flip to the right side and press. To sew jeans darts, use erasable pen to mark the dart location and use a pin to locate the correct dart point. Stitch along the marked stitch line to sew and press the dart towards the center back. To sew back pockets, zigzag stitch all 5 sides on both of the back pocket pieces. Fold half an inch of the top edge on the back pocket. Quarter-inch press all sides of the back pocket and double edge top stitch 1/8 of an inch apart. To assemble denim jeans, place right sides facing together for back and front leg pieces. Stitch side seams with half an inch seam allowance and zigzag stitch to finish. Stitch with a half an inch seam allowance and sew inner leg seam of front and back leg. Stitch half an inch seam allowance along the crotch from the point you stopped sewing to the center back waist. To fuse interfacing on waistband, cut out the interfacing to match the left front, right front, and back waistband pieces. Place the fusible side of the interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric. Repeat until all areas of the interfacing have been fused to the waistband. To assemble waistband, place the back waistband right side up and position the left and right side front waistband. Stitch each side with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Open up the seam allowance and press. Place the inner waistband facing each other and stitch 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Fold over and place the outer waistband facing each other and stitch 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Trim down at the corner of the waistband on both sides. Flip the waistband inside out and press with the iron. With contrast color thread, edge top stitch all around the waistband. To sew belt loops, zigzag stitch the belt loop pieces lengthwise. Fold the belt loop wrong side facing each other and 1/4 inch overlap each other. With contrast thread, edge top stitch 1/8 of an inch lengthwise. Fold the belt loop on top and bottom to match the starting point of the pants pocket, then edge top stitch 1/8 of an inch to secure. Do the same on the center bag and next to the dart on the back of the pants. To finish denim jeans, finish the leg hem with zigzag stitch and fold 1.5 inch and edge top stitch. Mark the width of the jeans tag button on the waistband for buttonhole. And also mark the location for the jeans tag button. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Ari jeans from Denim fabric. Grab the high waist, wide leg jeans sewing pattern on my website. I'll have a link in the description. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your cute denim outfit with me on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!